So now I'm gonna cut the pineapple flesh into chunks, and this is to help the blender blade. So the sugar loaf pineapple is ideal to make drink or juice because it is so juicy and very sweet. So if you have diabetes, you cannot eat this pineapple. You will have to eat the other types of pineapple, like the cowboy pineapple and those other types, because they are not as sweet as the sugar loaf. The sugar loaf, this is 100% sugar. It is really, really, really sweet and juicy. This is what is ideal to make drink or juice, as I said before. So I am using just a small piece of the ginger because I don't want the pineapple drink to have a strong ginger taste. So the pineapple peels are sitting in the water. I boil them for 5 minutes, then I turn off the heat. So I'm gonna let them sit in the water for about 2-3 hours. Please excuse the background noise. Okay, so the water is cool and I'm gonna remove the pineapple peels. Now you can just sweeten this and it makes a nice refreshing drink. The only thing is you will have to add a piece of ginger when boiling the pineapple skin, but I'm gonna use the water this and actually blend the pineapple flesh. So what I'm doing now is to remove the pineapple peels and then strain off the liquid. So this is actually pineapple, well, pineapple drink you'd call it, because it's mixed with water, so it can't be juice, right? So you can actually sweeten this and enjoy a nice glass of cool and refreshing pineapple drink. But like I said, I'm gonna add it, I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna strain off this now, then I'm gonna use it and actually blend the pineapple flesh. So now I'm basically putting the pineapple flesh into a blend along with ginger root. So that is actually for the first batch. So I'm going to pour some of the pineapple water into it. Right? So I'm gonna do the same thing for the second batch, and this is the final batch, by the way. This pineapple is so sweet. the juice using what I want to use to sweeten it, which is granulated sugar. You can use what you want to use, right? Whether you want to use brown sugar or you want to use, excuse me, or you want to use honey or you don't want to use anything to sweeten it, it's all up to you. So I'm gonna lightly sweeten mine with some granulated sugar because I do not like brown sugar to sweeten my drink, because brown sugar changes the taste, making it taste a bit heavy, and it also changes the color. I like to see the color coming through when I make my drinks. So I'm going to just leave it for about 10 minutes to let the sugar be dissolved properly, and I will be right back. So the drink, the pineapple ginger drink, is sweet enough. So what I'm going to do now is to add the juice of one large green lime. Make sure that the lime is green, because the juice of the green lime taste is different from the juice of the ripe lime. So you want the juice from the green lime.